All right now, boy. Bitch, I'm gonna throw that camera across the road. You heard what I said.
A nasty bitch.
These two faggots.
You nasty bitch.
You a nasty motherfucker.
Drunk, pissy.
No, you the nasty bitch.
You a nasty motherfucking bitch.
You ain't fucking trying to camera me. And you keep fucking with me, I will knock that son of a bitch out of your
You
head.
gonna knock your ass out.
It's on.
It's on the
It's
pop.
on the popping, bro. What you said, bitch? Say
What the fuck I said?
Say it again. I'll slap the shit out your ass.
I ain't scared of your monkey ass.
He's a monkey.
Boy! Keep fucking with me!
What the fuck did he do?
Hey,
He did that shit.
I'm gonna knock that motherfucker out
Go
of your
get
hand,
his
boy!
man, Ace. Go get him, Ace.
you belong there.
Come on!
Jay.
Okay.
Jay.
Leave the store, Ace.
I ain't leaving! You gonna leave, you bitch! I knock your ass all the way out!
Two shorts.
Jay, you down there now.
Go and get a cigarette for him.
I got this motherfucker.